first time that I joined Weight Watchers, I think what it was is I started looking at a lot of pictures of myself, and I started seeing that I was hiding in the back all the time. And I just got so tired of it all of a sudden. One day I just looked at one too many pictures and said, I can't do this anymore. When I first walked through the door at Weight Watchers, I was incredibly nervous. I felt like I didn't know even where to begin. But from the minute I walked in that room, my leader greeted me. She made me feel safe. She made me feel welcome and just invited me in. And I just felt like part of a big family right away. I would use food for comfort all the time. If I was frustrated, if I was upset, if I was depressed, if I was happy even. But food was something that I felt would make me feel good. And it did for about 5 minutes, and then I would feel worse. And I think what really changed it for me was realizing that when I chose not to go to food for my comfort, it felt better. I felt in control finally, and that control made me feel better. In order for me to be the best mom I'm going to be, I have to be the healthiest mom. I've got to be the happiest mom. If mom is not happy, nobody's happy. So I have to take care of myself and before I can take care of anyone else. So taking care of me is by virtue of taking care of them. I decided to become a Weight Watchers leader because Weight Watchers changed my life. It made me feel so differently about myself and in such a positive way. And if I could help one person feel the way that I feel, I felt that it would be worth it. And I get to every day see people succeed and lives get changed, and I don't think there's anything better than that. I think the biggest takeaway is if someone were watching my story and they knew that I had done this many, many times, Weight Watchers over and over before it really worked, is that it's never too late. You can always do it. And not to really be ruled by a number on the scale. And don't let that chase you away. You've got to push through it because the end result is so important and so great. So just to keep focused and that anyone can do this. It just takes a little bit of commitment.